Think. Can you make money while watching ads? Think again. Here is a simple way to earn money in your spare time without any skill. Watch ads and make money. This is a new way to make money online by watching ads and making money at the same time. If you are looking for a way to make money online, this is the best way for you. You can make up to $340 a day just watching ads with this revolutionary ad watching platform. You don't need any skills to start making money today. I'm going to show you how to earn by watching ads. It's a perfect way to earn money while doing nothing. But before we start, make sure to stay till the end of this video as I will share amazing methods to make more than $1,000 a day. Also, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I am always sharing new amazing and effective free methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. Now, let's jump to our today video. The secret to making money online is watching ads. Yes, you heard right. Join the thousands of people who have created an income from the comfort of their homes and take back control of your life. Watch ads, get paid. It's that simple. People are making good money watching ads on their phones. You can get paid to watch ads on your phone daily. The best paying ad sites are the ones that pay you the most per click. One of the best paying ad sites is Ojoo.com. Ojoo is a platform for advertisers, allowing for the creation of effective internet advertising campaigns based on the PPV, pay-per-view, system. You can use Ojoo on PC or the special Ojoo app application available on iOS or Android from all over the world. You can register for free using your Google or Facebook account. This involves creating a username, adding a password, and entering an email address. Then you begin viewing ads to earn some money. With Ojoo, there are two major ways of making money: watching ads and referring friends to Ojoo. The first involves clicking on an advertisement, watching the commercial, and being paid for it. According to Ojoo, you will be paid up to 4 cents per clip, depending on the duration of the ads. You can also earn 10 cents up to $2 by entering the Ojoo grid, which is a regular game on the website. You will play the game 10 times a day and try to win each of the 5 prizes they have. According to Foxy Rating, Ojoo ranks 14th of the best and highest pay-to-click (PTC) sites. It is a great website that can help you earn some money than many other sites. Since the cost of ads is really cheap, you earn faster on Ojoo. Now, imagine what it would be like to wake up and see more than $1,000 or more in your PayPal account each and every day. Now you can learn everything from the initial steps of starting making money online, to the best techniques for enhancing your strategy to make money online. Ready to take the next step with us? Get more information today. Click the below link and you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Thank you for watching till the end. Now if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos.